Hey folks, Jimmy with Weller's Utility Trailers. A lot of times we get asked for landscapers to haul bigger tractors. And now we have a trailer that can do that. This landscaper here is a B-Wise trailer. They make our dump trailers and they make a beautifully made dump trailer. Has the adjustable coupler on the front, which is common for a lot of heavy built trailers. Has that A-frame jack. That breakaway switch has a coil so you don't got to worry about it dragging on the ground. Treated wood floor. Stake pockets on the side so you can tie down to them. And then as you look at the tires and wheels, you're going to notice they're 6-lug. That means it's a 5,000-pound axle. So this is a 10,000-pound trailer even though it's a landscaper. As we go around back, the ramp has those stabilizing legs. So as you drive on it, if you're hauling something heavy, the back end will squat. It'll keep the back end from squatting too much. Also, underneath the ramp, you see that spring. That means they're spring loaded and it's a split gate. So you only got to pick up one side at a time. It's much easier to pick up that way. But look how many cross members there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross members per ramp. This trailer is rated to haul some weight. Has LED lights and they're steel grommeted. Steel encased with a grommet. Diamond plate fenders. This trailer is a heavy duty one. 302-337-8228.